Hi, welcome back to another video with Indigo Math. Now we're going to explore some more properties of a rhombus. Let's start. So it says here WXYZ, it's a rhombus. So if it's a rhombus, it means that all sides are equal. So you see here, all of these sides, I'm just going to draw a line here to signify that all of them are equal length. And can I just draw your attention to this portion? I'm going to highlight this triangle here in green. If I've got this triangle and these two lengths are equal, what kind of triangle does this look like to you? It's an isosceles triangle, right? If it's an isosceles triangle, it also tells me that this angle here, I'm going to mark it out, shading it in blue, is equal to this angle here at W. Because it's an isosceles triangle, angle property is called base angles of an isosceles triangle. One more thing about the properties of a rhombus is that opposite angles are equal to each other. So you see, if the angle YXW is 110 degrees, that would mean your angle YZW would also be equal to 110 degrees because this is a rhombus and opposite angles in a rhombus are equal. Can I now find angle YWZ? And why do I want to do that? Because I'm also given this piece of information here. It says angle PWZ. So PWZ is here. This is 5 units. It says PWZ is 5/7 of PWZ, which means this piece is 5 units, and PZW is 7 units. So let me just label this in a diagram for us. PZW, this portion here, would be 7 units. Putting all these information together, I can tell that the angle PWZ can just be seen as 180 degrees minus 110 degrees, whole thing here divided by 2. Why? Because remember, we established that that triangle was an isosceles triangle earlier. I would get 35 degrees, which means 5 units refer to 35 degrees. And if the question wants me to find angle WPZ, which is this one here that I'm shading in red, I only need to focus on this triangle here. I'm going to highlight the triangle in red now. If I can find the sum of these two angles, all I need to do is to take 180 degrees minus away these two to get the last angle here. Again, because angles in one triangle add up to 180 degrees. So, coming back to the question, if we have got 5 units to be 35, then 1 unit would just be 35 degrees divided by 5, and that would be 7 degrees. So altogether, how many units have we got? 5 plus 7, that gives us 12 units. Angle PWZ plus angle PZW would give us 12 units times 7 degrees, which is 1 unit, and that gives 84 degrees. Our last step is to find your angle WPZ. All you need to do is to take 180 degrees minus away those two angles, which is 84 degrees, and that would give us 96 degrees. This angle property is called angle sum of a triangle. And that's how we use the properties of a rhombus in this question. Math really isn't just about practicing questions. Come join us for some fun events. We will show you how math is actually very, very chill. See you soon!